Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to be looking at an original wartime era German K98k Bayonet. This specific one was produced in 1939 and made by Mundlos. Mundlos was a factory originally in Magdeburg, and they were established in 1863. Their original title was Mundlos and Schultz. For most of their career, they spent their time making sewing machines and other things similar to that. 1934, though, 1934-35, they were given contracts through the NSDAP for cleaning kits, bayonets, and other small ends and oddities. The factory was eventually bombed on the 16th of January, 1945, and the factory was then, the remaining useful bits were shipped to the USSR as reparations for the war. Now, in 1937, I believe, was the first year that they began using Bakelite handles versus the wood, and this is a 1939 dated Mundlos. Now, if you're not sure how to check the dates, they're almost always right in here. There you go, there's the 39, and I believe that is the remnants of a Waffenamt. I don't think that's the seed. Anyways, here, the batch number is 4430, and then the C is the batch number, I'm sorry. And to match it, 4430C. So this is a matching scabbard and sheath. I'm not sure about any other Waffenamps. I think that these two little spots here are what would have been them. As you can see, it's not in pristine condition. I happened to walk into a gun shop and it was all put in, and I just saw the handle and I was like, well, that's definitely a K98k Bayonet, and asked to pull it out and saw that it was matching and had to take it home. Oh, and again, the back, I didn't do this. This is originally how I got it, so I don't know. I don't want to assume that this was wartime, reparation, or it could have been post-war. Could be anything. Really don't know. No inscriptions on the back, really, other than this little marking here. It looks like an LD, maybe? LB? It's very worn, and it looks like it was done personally, so I'm not sure. Perhaps that's initials. If you have an idea, though, I'd love to hear it. I couldn't find any other visible markings, really, on here at all. But that is mostly it. I don't think I have anything else to add. If you guys enjoy videos like this, or military surplus, history, antiques, like in the other videos, books, and other things, let me know. If you have any ideas or recommendations, leave it in the comments. And if you liked all this, again, like, share, subscribe, and I will be back with more. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of your day, guys.